Hi everyone, this is Kyra, Coordinator of Instructional Technology, and in this video we're going to talk about organizing your content into modules. It's generally best practice to organize your content into modules. It helps to guide student learning, it helps to chunk information and make sure that information that students are getting access to these things in context. So in your course, you just go to modules and click plus module to create a new one. If you're more familiar with Google Classroom, these modules are just like topics on Google Classroom. One best practice for creating modules is using some kind of a consistent numbering system that helps to guide students through. It helps you also when you are adding things to a module. If they're numbered, they're much easier to find here. It also gives you a quick way to reference that 0.1, 0.2 rather than the whole title of the assignment. It's also best practice to, in every module, have some kind of a welcome page, intro page, overview, and something that is at the end, a wrap up, so that when students are going through the pages in a module, which they can just click next, it's helpful to have an indication of when they're starting and then clicking next and getting all the way to the end and having a page at the very end that lets them know, hey, this is the end of a module. Otherwise, it's just going to allow them to keep clicking through the entire thing. So it's nice to have those quote unquote bookends for each module so that students know when they're using that next button when they've gotten to the finish line. Another best practice is to use text headers and indentation within your modules. So you can add organization within the module by clicking the plus and going to text header. And this doesn't actually link to anything. It's just a way to organize your modules. And then you can also indent these or decrease the indent. Again, adding some structure to your module. Another really nice thing you can do with modules is you can add completion requirements and prerequisites. So if you go to a module and click these three buttons and click edit, I can have a prerequisite. So to even get to module 1, you have to complete module 0. And then you can have students complete all requirements, whatever you choose, one of the requirements. And then for each one, you can decide what you want students to be able to do with that thing in order to move on. So again, a way to organize content and make sure that students are sort of learning in some kind of an organized sequence. There's a great video here on creating templates, so you don't have to do these things every single time. Just duplicating a page, like duplicating your overview page over and over and just editing the content a little bit. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.